Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva. First, navigate to canva.com and sign up for a free account. This gives you access to a vast library of design elements and templates. Once logged in, you'll see options to create different types of designs, such as a social media post or a presentation. Choose the design type that fits your needs, then either select a pre-made template or begin with a blank canvas. Now that you have your canvas, let's customize it. Click on any text box to edit its content, change the font style, or adjust the color. You can upload your own photos by clicking the Uploads tab or browse Canva's stock photo library. To resize an element, simply drag its corners. Moving items around is as easy as clicking and dragging them to your desired position on the page. To make your design truly stand out, explore Canva's Elements tab. Here you'll find a wide array of graphics, icons, and shapes to enhance your project. Experiment with different filters and effects on your images to achieve a polished, professional appearance. Remember to use the alignment guides that appear automatically to keep your design neat and balanced, ensuring everything looks perfectly placed. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in several formats, including PNG for high-quality images or PDF for documents. You also have options to share directly to social media platforms or generate a shareable link. For other great deals, like those amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below this video. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.